Today, I would like to share with you the method of entering the background of the instrument of the Trinity 75 excavator. Normally we open the key door. The first gear appears on the screen of this situation. How can we enter the background to view some other data? For example, the engine specific speed, and some other pressure flow, some data, we can do so. Let's press the menu button. This is also a press. We enter the password 3young868. And then press confirm. That's it. Running information. Let's click on it. You can see it's displayed. What speed are, and some pressure or flow are. Let's open the key door to see. Take a look. Engine speed. There's more. Let's tap that. You can exit. Look at some other data.